Welcome to Summarized Science, where we break down the latest research into understandable insights. Today, we're looking at a study that asks the vital question: how can we get doctors to trust AI when it comes to treating cancer? While AI has become incredibly smart at synthesizing medical knowledge, clinicians often hesitate to follow its advice in real-world scenarios. Trust is a major barrier to the adoption of large language models in oncology decision support. Traditional ways of building trust involve having the AI explain its logic or provide a list of sources. However, it is still uncertain if these methods are actually effective in high-stakes clinical settings where a wrong choice is critical. This research focuses on something called atomic fact-checking, or AFC. Instead of just giving a long explanation, AFC decomposes AI recommendations into discrete, verifiable claims. Each of these small claims is then linked directly to a specific passage in a source guideline document. To test this, a randomized controlled trial was conducted with 356 clinicians, including radiologists and oncologists. They evaluated AI-generated recommendations for 21 different oncology cases across 7 types of cancer, like breast and lung cancer. In total, the researchers gathered over 7,400 individual trust ratings from these participants. The study compared 5 different ways of presenting AI advice, ranging from just the recommendation to a full AFC display. One group saw just the recommendation, while others saw explanations, citations, or a combination of both. The final group received the recommendation along with explanation, citation, and the atomic fact-checking feature. When the results came in, the difference was staggering. Mean trust scores for the recommendation-only group were quite low, sitting around 2.59 on a 5-point scale. But for the group using atomic fact-checking, the trust score jumped all the way to 3.80. You can see the dramatic shift here in the data visualizations. The proportion of clinicians who expressed actual trust in the AI increased from about 27% to over 66% with AFC. This suggests that doctors are much more likely to trust AI when they can easily verify every tiny detail against a trusted source. Interestingly, the effect was consistent across all medical specialties and different levels of experience. Radiologists, radiation oncologists, and medical oncologists all showed a significant increase in trust when using the AFC interface. This indicates that the benefit of fact-checking isn't just limited to one specific field of cancer care. Why does this work so well? It might come down to how the human brain processes information. Traditional explanations require doctors to evaluate the AI's logic, which is a cognitively demanding task. AFC transforms this into a simple matching task, which is much easier and fits better into a busy doctor's workflow. The researchers point out that this represents a major design principle for the future of digital medicine. Instead of just asking doctors to accept an AI's reasoning, we should be embedding verifiability directly into the user interface. This allows clinicians to use their own expertise to quickly confirm that the AI is on the right track. To recap, this study proved that breaking AI advice into small, checkable facts massively increases clinician trust. This shift from explaining to verifying appears to be the most effective path toward responsible AI adoption in healthcare. In the future, your doctor might use tools like this to ensure they are providing the most up-to-date, guideline-concordant care possible. Thank you for watching Summarized Science, and we will see you in the next video.